Hey guys, this is another set of gadgets from all over the web that are worth seeing. So today you'll see a couple of cool things for your bike and something that'll make your blood test less painful. You might be interested in something that'll solve your hygiene issues and bring you back to childhood. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. A lot of employers move their business online, and that's probably for good. But we all know that any video conference may become a complete disaster if the supplies let you down. So here's an ultimate device for all of you who are trying to cope with the new era. Pana Conference Cam combines everything you need: a camera, a microphone, and a speaker. 360 webcam conference room camera provides multiple scenes in your meeting software, including conference room, all that in HD quality, of course. It automatically highlights and shifts focus to different people. The interface reacts smoothly with the smart arranging system, but you can easily customize all the settings on your own. It's a matter of several clicks. So the included software allows you to adjust the brightness, color balance, contrast, and saturation, but the coolest part is that you can even adjust the picture. Move it any way you like, right and left, zoom it in and out, lock the certain area on the screen, and even blind the area you don't want other people to see. 4 AI mics with the built-in noise reduction capture what everyone is saying within a 15-foot range. The Panacam plugs right into your computer with USB, no drivers needed. You can hardly find a better tool for your meetings. Let's face it, there are few people in the world who enjoy cleaning. Vacuuming and mopping the floors is one of the tasks that we need to do more frequently. Tesvor S6 might ease this task. Built-in AI captures all surfaces in your home, creates a virtual room map, and cleans surfaces and sections according to plan to avoid leaving uncleaned areas. In addition, the innovative laser system detects obstacles and prohibited zones. Since the vacuum is compatible with Alexa and Google Home, you can turn it on with your voice. The device has 2 brushes and reaches up to 2,700 PA suction power. The large dustbin absorbs a lot of dust volume, and the triple HEPA filter technology protects you from dust particles in the room air. The vacuum has 3 cleaning modes: quiet, normal, and turbo. You can switch between them either using a special app or by using the bundled remote control. You can also buy a water tank for mopping. It's not included in the package. Speaking of that, you need to switch the dustbin to the water tank to mop the surface. It's inconvenient when you can't vacuum and mop simultaneously. Well, at least its 12-ounce capacity is enough to mop big areas. One more pro is that the vacuum will automatically choose one of 3 levels of water speed depending on the environment. 5,200 mAh battery will be enough for up to 100 minutes cleaning. The thing is that it'll take you around 4 to 6 hours to fully charge the device. That's too long for something of that size. If the battery is too low, the vacuum will return to the charging station and then start to clean again at the point where it has not been finished. This is the most unusual coffee machine you've seen so far. Yep, it's not just a modern piece of art for your living room, it's actually a very convincing replica of a jet engine made from aviation-grade aluminum and stainless steel. But when you slide it open, it doubles as a coffee and tea maker. It's quite simple to use. Just fill the water tank and put either coffee grinds or tea leaves in a special container. Then close it and press the button. Voila, your drink is ready. Cherry on top, the turbine blades are actually moving when the device is turned on. Your guests will certainly be surprised to find out you have a jet engine at home. Surprise them even more by showing them what it can do. Do you want to take a closer look at the things around you? Here's the device for that. Yep, it's a pocket microscope you can easily put on your keychain. The operation is as easy as with an ordinary microscope. Just put it onto any surface and watch the world 20 times closer. A built-in LED will help you to see everything in the tiniest details. Have you ever wondered what the pencil lead looks like? Or maybe the book you're reading right now, or your fingerprints? But it's not about fun only. The microscope is equipped with a flashlight and a UV ray, that's handy, and it's also battery powered so you don't have to deal with nasty wires. Cool. You'll like this fidget toy if you need to keep your hands busy to concentrate or to calm down. It's small, discreet, and easy to play with. You can use it to perform tricks, to develop new motor skills, to stay focused, or just to enjoy your time. There are so many options to choose from. Pick the brass one if you want to feel some weight in your hand and touch its cold and smooth surface. The wooden one is light and texturized, and the clear acrylic option might be helpful when taking some cool photos. Feel free to create your own toy by using different modules. There's no chance to get over it when you get one. This is the most customizable mouse you can ever imagine. Yep, along with the mouse itself, the package includes a full complement of adjustable components. From now on, you can calibrate the tension of the scroll wheel or swap it entirely with 3 included options. The thumb rest, pinky rest, and palm rest can also be either quickly and easily adjusted or swapped to fit your needs. The precision button will decrease or increase the device's sensitivity depending on your needs. You can go even further and set up 10 user profiles, customize the lighting, and program the standard and side scrolls to perform different actions in the game. No lags, no latencies, no discomfort, just the way you like it. This one is for those who spend most of their time in front of their PCs. It's an ergonomic mechanical keyboard. What's so special about it? Well, unlike ordinary keyboards, this one prevents unnecessary tension in your joints, letting your wrists rest at their natural angle. So typing gets comfy, faster, and without any risks. The secret is the angled letter columns that are perfectly aligned with your fingers. Enter and delete keys are moved to the center so you can press them with your thumbs and avoid moving your hands too much. As for the design, aluminum baseplate and premium quality switches and keycaps make it look cool and reliable. And a customizable LED with over 16 million colors will set the mood. Have you ever wished to have a washing machine nearby when you were far away from home? This cleaning device is your portable washing machine now. It sends over 50,000 ultrasonic sound waves into water to create tiny, unstable bubbles that wash away dirt and oils from any surface easily. That's right, it's not only about your clothes. It can be used for dishes, tools, jewelry, even fruits. So plug the device into the socket and put it into water, add some soap, and set the timer. The operation's pretty easy. There are 3 buttons on the touch panel, and the display provides you with all glanceable info. Traveling or doing your domestic chores? This device is a must. This is the one and only tool that'll solve all your bike issues. Super slim and lightweight, it performs, wait for it, 30 different actions. So it has 6 different screwdrivers that are magnetically secured in the upper part of the body, 12 wrench sizes for all kinds of screws and bolts, and 2 rulers. 2 levers come in handy when changing your tires, a pry bar, a bottle opener, and whatnot. And since it's made of high-grade stainless steel with black titanium coating, it'll last you for years. Last but not least, it's so easy to store in a leather pouch. With this universal tool, you'll be prepared for literally any situation. The exception is when you have to pump the tires. Speaking of that, here's a portable pump that'll help you inflate your tires quickly and easily. What's the secret? The telescopic barrel is expandable so you can push more air. As a result, this pump gives 35% more air than other compact pumps, which allows you to inflate your tires within seconds. And yes, it's compatible with both Schrader and Presta valves, so it won't let down any bike owners. And it's so lightweight and compact that you can put it in your bag and carry it with you. Or just mount it to the frame and always have it nearby in case you need to fix a flat on the road. Either way, it's helpful to have one around. This is a total game changer in below-the-waist trimming. Now, first, this trimmer is perfectly compact, cordless, and completely waterproof. Use it in the shower or wherever you like. Those who prefer to keep a little length can easily adjust the hair length by using the swappable guards. The powerful motor, along with high-quality ceramic blades, makes sure the process is fast and absolutely safe for your skin. Unlike most of its competitors, this trimmer also boasts some built-in LED lights, which makes it easier to use in low-light environments. As for charging, there are 2 great options to choose from. You can either plug in a USB-C cable or use the included wireless charging dock. Nice! We used to make slingshots from branches. Here's a modern equivalent. Featuring a smoothly polished titanium alloy body, this thing is definitely built to last. And the ergonomic handle makes the slingshot really comfortable to hold. The mechanism is extremely simple, as you expect. Just put in the rubber band and find some proper ammo to shoot with. You can even use the sight for increased accuracy. There are so many options to choose from, you can pick either a curved option, suitable for both right and left-handed people, or you might prefer a couple of slings with the hole to keep them on a lanyard. These ones with floral patterns and 2 dragons look especially cool, and this slingshot certainly has something to do with Batman. The thing is 100% handmade, and it's crafted with great precision. The integrated lanyard makes it especially easy to carry. Our childhood dreams finally came true. This groundbreaking device is a must for the medical industry. This vein visualization system uses a laser camera to scan a patient's vessel map and project it onto their skin. It's perfect for blood tests, installing catheters, and even doing surgeries. This device makes doctors' jobs easier and patients' experience more pleasant. It has 2 projection modes and various brightness options to light conditions. Everything is pretty easy to set with the 3 buttons on the body, all the needed info like the mode and the battery status you'll see on the screen above. What's more, it can be attached to wheel stands and table clamps for hands-free use. It saves so much time during medical procedures and spares patients any pain or discomfort. This is certainly a must for hospitals and clinics.